Hello, this is old Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and a few weeks ago, quite a few weeks ago, I said I would start putting up some construction videos on the sewer project on one of the main streets near my home. Well, then about 3 weeks of time went by. I was helping my son move and taking care of grandkids and all, so here we go. I'm finally getting caught up. So if you look down at the corner down here at the bottom, you can see some steel pipes, and at first I thought those are pretty good sized sewer pipes, but they're not the sewer pipes. What they're doing here is called horizontal boring, and they're boring about 30 feet down underneath of that main street, which actually runs north and south. They're going under the street with a utility tunnel, and they're about 4 feet in diameter, so somebody could crawl through it. And this mechanism here is what they use. I have no idea how it works, but they used to have like 5 or 6 of those tubes laying out, so they're slowly getting across the road, so underneath the road. So anyway, you can see there's guys working down there, and I went out. Well, let me see. This video actually took 2 days to do. I went out and got a view of this, thought I could figure something out, but that didn't. I mean, you just see them working down there, but it doesn't show you much of what they're doing. So we're going to hurry across the street here so we don't get hit by a car. And this is the other end of what they're doing. And there's some high-tension power lines in the way, but I don't know what's going on down there. I don't know if anybody's even down there, but that's where that tunnel will end, is right there. So then I thought, you know, when you're flying a drone, you don't have the same kind of vision that you do when you're looking with your eyeballs. So I looked down here and I wanted to see where they were laying the sewer pipe, because I know they had some green sewer pipe, and this was the next thing that I came to. And that is not sewer pipe. What they're doing there is that's overflow drain on the side of the road that goes along here. And so they're working on that. And I thought, oh man, I've already missed the part where they lower the sewer pipe down. And I thought, well, I'm just too late, because they're already putting this on top of all that. And so it was kind of disappointing until the next day I decided I would come out. It had been raining, and so I couldn't come out until it quit raining and started getting looking nicer. And I came from the other end. So here I come from the other end and catch them before they get too far down the road. So I'm only a couple hundred feet behind. So here they are, and this track hoe is lifting a compressor, you know, like pounds the earth and tamps it down and gets the ground nice and solid where they're going to be laying the pipe. And so he's pulling that up out of that pit or trench, and then he's going to go over here and reconnect his scoop. And this when we laid sewer pipe in my home up in Washington, we had to put sand underneath the pipe in order so it would have a bed to sit on, wouldn't be poked with any rocks or anything. So what they've got there, they've got some sifted dirt with no rocks in it, and he's scooping it up, and they're going to put it in the bottom of that trench to lay those green pipes on. And sewer pipes are always green, water pipes are always blue, in the U.S. anyway. So here he comes now, and he's going to give him some dirt down there. There's a couple guys down there, as you will see. So once he gets that all dumped, then those 2 guys in the little square part, they're going to move in and start shoveling it around to where it needs to go. And that one guy just got hit in the back with a piece of concrete or something. They're tough guys. They work hard down there, and that's probably, I don't know, that's 20 feet down or so. I don't know how far it is, but they got a connection between those two protector dealy bobs. The pipe's going to run through there, as you will see. Now this guy coming along the bottom, he saw the drone. He's looking up and he sees us, and we're still up here and he's still down there. And so he's going to tell the other guys, and then they're going to wave. Okay, or one of the guys. You see, he's giving us a thumbs up, and then he gives the finger up or something. I don't understand what that was all about, but and then he waves one more time like a nice guy. And so now they know we're watching them. And this is the first time when I've filmed construction that I've ever been recognized that I know of. And here comes the pipe that they're going to lay down in there. And having laid sewer pipe before, as you can see, there's a larger opening at one end with a rubber seal, and then the other end has a mark on it, and you have to shove the mark clear into where it's even with the end of the larger part, and that way you know you've got a good seal. Otherwise, you'll get a liquid leak out of your sewer pipe. Nobody likes that. Now they all know that we're there. They keep looking up. He's telling them, turn it around and put it in there. And the guy in the tractor says, I can't turn it around. That's your job. He says, oh, okay. I'll go work a little harder here. I don't know what they're saying. Careful, don't fall in. And now it's going to drop down into the trench, and it's going to play a Pong game. If you've ever played Pong, you show your age if you've ever played Pong. All right, I'm just going to let you watch the rest of this, and I'll be quiet and enjoy the video. I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.